The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, I want to talk to you about a news article that I saw where it is said that daughters of a retired cop who had been shot and killed said that their father was a child predator. You see what I say? So when I saw the article, I said to myself, but wait, daughters of a retired cop said these things. So I say, no, what, may have to really and truly take a look into this because it just seems interesting to me, you see me? So, I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand some of the things that have been said in this article is what I'm saying to you, and I wanted to please bear in mind that I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand, so therefore it might not be word for word as to how it had been said in the article that I saw. All right, so please bear that in mind, viewers and subscribers. See, so first thing first, you see, it is said that a retired district constable was shot and killed on the 26th of October 2020 within a place that is known as Dallas Castle, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. You see? And according to the article, it is said that the retired police who had been shot and killed goes by the last name of Bennett, and it is said that this person was in his early 80s. All right? Yeah, early 80s. Now, it is said that on the 26th of October 2020, residents of Dallas Castle in St. Andrew reported hearing gunshots, right? And following a search, they found the retired cop laying in bushes, and they saw what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the face and neck. You see? Now, while a number of residents recalled Bennett being a good man, his daughters, not daughter, his daughters said that they regret the brutal end their father met, but however, they are saying that he brought much disgrace to the family. You see me? Now, allegedly, it is said that he was a serial child molester. You understand me? And residents claimed that Bennett lured underage girls to his home with ice cream and other treats. You see what I'm saying to you? According to the news article said that the daughters of the retired police who had been shot and killed, who goes by the name of Bennett, said that about 5 years ago, the brother of a 12-year-old girl caught Bennett in a compromising position with his sister, or you could say the 12-year-old girl. Is it? It is said that an alarm was rang and Bennett was arrested and was placed in police custody for roughly a year before posting bail. According to the news article, it is said that the daughters believe that after he got out on bail, he fled the district, which is Dallas Castle in St. Andrew, Jamaica, and went to Portland, which is in Jamaica, and they believe that he did this to evade police or to escape police or so on, isn't it? According to the news article, it is said that Bennett was on the run from the law up until the time of his death. And the picture that you're looking at in this video, it is said that this picture shows the person who goes by the name of Bennett, who is said to be the retired cop who had been shot and killed. So according to the news article, it is said that the data said that around January the year 2020, the deceased popped up again in Dallas Castle and spend no more than 3 days at a time. All right, so according to the article, it is said that the daughter said that on last Friday, that would be the 23rd of October 2020, he turned up at the home and claimed that he would be moving back to the district for good. And then 3 days after that, he had been shot and killed. You see it? Now, one of the daughters said that even though he had done what he had done, she still loved her father. You see me? And that the family is going through a double blow death. You see me? Because the mother, right, which is her mother, had only passed away last Friday, which would be the 23rd of October 2020. I'm just telling you according to how I understand the article, you know. You see me? And the other daughter said some things that gave me the understanding that his ways of going after young girls cause a strain on the relationship between their mother or that daughter's mother and him, which is the deceased or the person that goes by Bennett or the retired police man who had been shot and killed. You see me? So according to the article said that one of the daughters said that she asked him about this whole thing where it is said that he had been accused of molesting a 12-year-old girl. And the article said that the daughter said he said that it was a lie more than twice or more than 2 times. You see me? The news article said that one of the daughters said that him never take care of none of him pitney them. Him love young girl. A one little pervert man. That's the understanding that I get from the article. You see? There's also a part in the article where it is said that someone explained about the whole thing when the person had been accused of the whole child molesting thing. See? There's a part in the article where it is said that a person said that the person who goes by the name of Bennett would have both the 12-year-old girl and the boy at the house, and he would send the boy to shop and told him when to come back. But according to some things that the article said, that the person said that the boy used to come back and see him trouble the girl. We were ashamed. So viewers and subscribers, when I read this article, I found the things that had been said in this article to be disturbing. You see me? And you know, I'm not going to say because the person is 80 odd years old or because the person was a retired police or so on. No, I'm not going to say that. You understand? Because whether you're a retired police or if you're a police or whether you're 80 years old or not, no one should molest any child. No one should molest any child. We should be protecting the children. You understand? Protect them, guide them, look out for them. You understand? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I don't know me there, so if you keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? So you can let me know what you think about some of the things that I just told you that I read in this article. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?